Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to fix fingerprint lock problem in your device Vivo Y56. But before we start, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Let's watch this complete video.